Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back doing another action figure unboxing video. Today I've got 2 more packages in from eBay. If you like action figures, I highly recommend you get them third party sold because I've been picking up all kinds of cheap figures, loose, some complete, some from 2-packs, just like a lot of the things that collectors have doubles of. They're reselling on third party sites for cheap, and if you're trying to get your action figures, they are expensive, so sometimes you gotta go the cheap route, third party. And yeah, eBay's where I've been getting a lot of mine. So I've got 2 more here. I've been ordering them like crazy. They've been coming in faster than I can keep track. I have no idea what this is. Let's crack into it and find out. Toy Hunters International. It just looks like the order summary. And I can already see what it is, but I'm just going to wait till it's fully out of the package so you guys can see. Okay, and here we have the Strike Force Jubilee from the 3-pack. I believe she comes with some accessories here. It's like shrink wrapped in its own. Ugh. I was gonna wear my Wolverine shirt because I don't have any for X-Men, but I just wore that in the last review video, so I wanted to switch it up, and I just went Batman today, so it's non-related. Wow, that's a nice face sculpt. So this is a unique face sculpt. It's different from the one that came in the classic Jubilee with it was the Caliban wave. She's got like a bubble gum and then one with visors. So she didn't come with glasses, at least. Well, I didn't open the accessories yet. Let me open this. But so no glasses like fixed to her face sculpt, and it's a nice looking face sculpt. The eyes came out close. They're just a little off. But like they're not bad at all. It's a nice looking face sculpt. I like when they have the removable glasses as opposed to always fixed to the top of the head or something. I think this looks nice. And the bubblegum one is my preferred of the 2 for the classic, but they both have some slight flaws. I find the bubblegum one looks like she's making a stupid face. I know she's blowing bubblegum, but she's making a really stupid face. And then the other one, her eyes didn't come out the cleanest, so it's nice to have a third option here for head sculpts. And this Strike Force body suit looks nice. I think the yellow's gonna wear out for sure on the forearms. Looks like it's yellow painted over the blue plastic, so that's not gonna last long. Same with the shoulders, so as I move this around, that's gonna rub off, unfortunately, but the rest of it looks clean. The yellow line work looks pretty clean. Seems really stiff. I don't think the person who had it before me used it very much. It seems like it's like right out of the box. They must have already had a Jubilee or something. So it came with an alternate head. Came with her blown bubblegum. And this one looks this looks better than the other one I've got. Looks like the bubblegum is right about to break off. So that's unfortunate. I hope it doesn't break. But this face sculpt turned out way better than the other one I've got. And she's got the removable glasses, which is perfect. She comes with a set of tiny yellow fisted hands. 2 even pair, that's perfect. And the thing I'm most excited about is I finally have some sparkly effects for Jubilee. These look great. They're the same sculpt as the came with the Scarlet Witch, but instead of just all one plastic color, it's like pink at the bottom, and then it shifts to like a more magenta, and then into a purple. And they both look like different from each other. These look really nice, and then it seems like there's little flecks of like something shimmering inside it. I don't know if that's just catching the light, but these little blast effects look really good. I'm super impressed with that. I'm just going to put everything back in the bag for now so I don't lose it. And yeah, I'll do a close individual review of the actual figure a little later. Oh, that head sculpt looks great. It's too bad the bubblegum's like holding on by a thread. So that's a really good figure. I'm really happy with that. All the accessories are taken out of there. Okay, let's move on to box number 2. Okay, so this one I think is an in-package figure, but I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it's in the box. Oh, I got a little thank you for your order. I love getting a little thank you card. So this is the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 Mantis with Build-A-Figure Cosmo piece. This looks really good. I'm happy to have this guy. Or girl, rather. So, truth be told, I already have this figure. I believe I bought this in box but resealed because someone has taken out the Cosmo piece, which is fine because, like I just said, I already have it. But I'm pretty sure they've just repackaged this up for me, and so I got this actually so I can remove the head, and when I get my Volume 2 Gamora, I will have the option of putting her in the suited body to hang out with the rest of the team. Because she never wore this suit in Volume 3, so she's missed out of the rest of the line with the other Guardians figures, or the other Guardians from that Volume 3 line, so I wanted to just be able to have her mesh in with the rest of the team flawlessly if I want. So, I went and got myself a second Mantis. My options were Mantis or Nebula, and of course Nebula has the metallic arm, so it would have looked kind of weird. But yeah, so happy to have both of these figures. Much more happy with the Jubilee than the Mantis, because I already have this figure. But, yeah, this Jubilee is looking really good. I'm happy to have it. It's a unique costume. I like the fact that it's classic yellow-blue colors, so she'll mix in with the rest of the X-Men really well. Yeah, not much more to say until I go over the individual review. Stay tuned for that. Hit the notification bell so you make sure you don't miss it. Hit the like button if you like this video, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to all my content. See you guys in the next video. Peace.